Presenting information visually can often be a challenge, and sometimes it's because you're not sure how to necessarily present something visually. One scientist came to us and she said, I want this idea of evidence going through all these people and getting to policymakers, but I'm not sure how to represent it. So we had a conversation about the different parties at play, and also the process in which the different parties interacted with each other. And we came up with this general flowchart idea. During our discussion, I also asked what the order in which things would be discussed in the actual presentation. So that way I could turn the slide into builds, and only the elements that were going to be spoken of would be shown while the presenter was talking about them. In the end, we created a slide that brought in different elements at different times. And that way the audience could focus on what the speaker was saying while they were talking about it. After each element was introduced, the process between all the parties could be discussed.